The Manuscript of Thaumiel. There was once a traveler who had walked farther than they had ever imagined possible. They had crossed gardens and deserts. They had wandered valleys of mirrors. They had stood upon mountains. They had listened beside quiet rivers. They had planted orchards. They had crossed the abyss. They had opened forgotten doors. They had stood beneath endless stars. With every step, something had been laid down, until one morning the traveler realized there was nowhere left to walk. Before them stood no mountain, no city, no bridge, no gate, only an open field stretching toward every horizon. The grass moved gently beneath the wind. Birds circled high above. The morning sun warmed the earth. Nothing remarkable appeared to happen. The traveler looked around in confusion. Is this the end? There was no reply. No teacher emerged. No guide appeared. Only silence. The traveler waited. Hours passed. Then the day. Then evening. Nothing changed. At last, weary from expecting something extraordinary, the traveler sat upon the earth. The wind continued moving through the field. The birds continued their flight. The sun slowly disappeared beneath the horizon. Night arrived. The stars quietly returned. The traveler looked upward. For the first time, there was no question to ask, no destination to reach, no mystery to solve, only wonder. As dawn approached once more, the first light touched the earth. The travelers stood. They looked in every direction. The garden, the valley, the bridge, the desert, the lake, the mountain, the orchard, the abyss, the library, the observatory. None of them could be seen. Yet somehow, they had never truly been left behind. The traveler smiled, not because the journey was finished, because they finally understood. Every path had been the same path. Every teacher had spoken the same lesson. Every landscape had reflected the same consciousness. The traveler took one slow breath, then quietly turned around. Not because there was somewhere else to go, but because someone, somewhere, had just begun their own journey. The traveler walked toward them, no longer searching, simply carrying the light that had quietly accompanied every step.